Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Classic Invert to reverse the colors of the display on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and in here tap on Accessibility. Then tap on Display and Text Size. Next, scroll down and tap on Classic Invert. And from here you can see the screen reverses the color. So you can switch it off or turn it on to reverse the screen color. And that's it. After you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings. Now while you're in here, you can see there's another option. Is the Smart Invert. So the Smart Invert reverses the color of the display as well. So there are two different options that you could use. And that's it. Finally, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.